Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I installed this glueless closure wig. So continue watching. So first things first, shout out LuvMe Hair Company for sponsoring today's video. I'm just showing you guys what I received quickly in my package. So I got this rewards membership guide, and this is just how it looks. It has all their information. And then I got this cute message with their slogan. I also got this bag to store the wig in, a wig cap, a melt band, an edge control brush, a tail comb, this sticker label, and also this guide for anything in regards to how to care for the hair and any returns. And of course I got the wig itself. So this is how the wig is looking. It is a blunt cut bob wig. So I'm just showing you guys the inside. This is a 7x6 closure bob. So we have 2 combs at the side, 1 comb at the back. We also have an adjustable band inside. And this is also a breathable cap. So as you can see, like, I could put my fingers through it. As I said before, this is a 7x6 closure. It came pre-plucked and pre-bleached already. So this is how the wig is looking. We're gonna get straight into this install. So my hair is already braided back into 6 straight back braids. They are nice and flat. So I'm just gonna take the end and just stick it into my braids. And then I'll be going in with the wig cap that was provided in this package. And I'm just gonna put it on my head and slide it back a bit. So I forgot to mention we have this non-slip grip at the back of the wig, but I'm also using that comb that's at the back of the wig to just stick in the back of my head to make sure the wig is placed in the middle. I use it as a guide, and I'm just going to just bring that wig right up. Guys, if you didn't realize, I used no concealer on this wig, no foundation, anything like that. This is just going to give real scalp effect without any of the makeup. So I'm now just going ahead and cutting off the lace, and I'm just using my razor. This lace is also HD, so it just gives a better blend, guys, regardless. Like, look at that. You can't even tell that I didn't use any makeup. And this parting was so deep. It was so nice. It wasn't no short parting, guys. This is a 7x6 closure, so it wasn't no short parting. But once I've cut off that extra lace, this is basically how it is looking. I just went in with some BioSilk, and I just rubbed that all over my hands into the hair. And then I'm going to be going in with my Babyliss flat iron and just straightening out this wig. So if you know me, you know I like working in sections. This is not really necessary. If you're in a rush, you can just go ahead, you know, do it in bunches. The hair was already silky straight anyways, so it's not necessary. But I like to work in sections, especially when it's a brand new wig and I'm trying to make sure it is how I like it to be, in case I just want to grab it and put it on and go each time. So if you didn't notice, I did not use any spray, any glue, anything like that. So this is glueless. So this is definitely beginner friendly. Anybody can put this on. So we're gonna continue straightening the hair, and when I'm done, I'll be back because I'm gonna go ahead and just add some wax to the top of this closure as well. All right, so now that the hair is done straightening, I'm just going to make a part and use my wax stick to just lay the closure down some more, make it nice and sleek. So you just want to go ahead in sections and use the wax stick, rub it on the top portion of the hair, and then use the hot comb to just flatten it. This is not mandatory, but if you want that nice, sleek, it's a laid look, I definitely suggest using a hot comb and a wax stick. If you don't have a wax stick, you can also use beeswax. But yeah, do you see how much smoother it looks? So I'm just gonna go ahead and do the opposite side. Alright, so once I finish hot combing the hair, I'm just going through with my iron and just straightening it in just large sections. And you can also apply the wax stick on any flyaways you may see, so I'm just doing that. And this is basically it. So I did go in with my shine spray, of course, and just sprayed that all over the wig. But do you guys see how easy this install was? Yeah. So this is the final look. It is definitely given scalp. Like, you could style this wig however you want because the parting space is so big. You can do a middle part, side part, high side part, anything you want. I'm even showing you guys I could even do a swoop and it is good. So shout out to LuvMe Hair Company for this unit. If you guys are interested, all the details will be down in my description box below, so you guys can definitely go ahead and check them out. But yeah, this is their LuvMe Hair Parting Max Glueless Wig, because as you can see, that closure is giving. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I'm showing you guys it is glueless. You can take it off, you can put it on just like that. It's no work. It's beginner friendly, guys, I'm telling you. So thank you for staying tuned. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you're able to learn something from it. And yeah, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel if you are not already. Give this video a like, comment down below. Let me know how you guys feel about the bobs, because we are about to get into bob season. So I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.